Hey guys, I apologize in advance. I have got a head cold and it is absolutely just getting me. But regardless, wanted to make you some content and I had some things I wanted to talk to you about because I want to make sure that your XRP is safe. And I want you to be aware of some things that are out in the near future for us and then kind of the long-term future so that you can A, protect yourself, and B, make as much money as possible with your XRP and quite frankly, your crypto in general. If you're new to me, my name's Austin. I cover crypto every day, XRP every day. If you're interested, hit that like, hit that subscribe. Okay, so there's a couple things you need to be aware of. Number one, we're in a little bit of period of volatility. The market's not going to move really sharp either way, up or down right now until the end of the month. And that is the point of the video, kind of, is your XRP safe? Because there's something coming, there's an event. I talked about it yesterday in a video, but not all you guys watch all my content. So here's what's going to happen. So we all know that right now there's a very public tariff trade war playing out between the United States and China. Number one, this is going to be resolved. It is absolutely going to be resolved one way or the other, and it will be resolved, with both parties conceding and giving some concessions and all, and our life will move on. But there is short-term risk and short-term exposure here for you and your XRP and your crypto in general. And that is the meeting that is set to take place between President Trump and President Xi of China later at the end of this month. And the meeting is actually set to take place in South Korea at a large summit that's taking place down there. They're going to have a side meeting, if you will. The issue is that all eyes in the world are on this meeting. And if that meeting doesn't take place, gets canceled, is pushed for whatever reason, there is short-term risk and volatility to your XRP. We could see XRP drop dramatically. And I need you to be aware of that so that you don't freak out, go all emotional, get panic, all that kind of, if that might happen to you. I'm just really trying to forewarn you, if you will, that is an event. It's a thing that's out there. Apologize for the way I sound. So there's risk, right? But it's very, very short-term risk. And inside of that, though, there's opportunity. If we do see XRP and crypto drop because something negative comes out of this meeting, it doesn't happen, it gets canceled, the outcome is not as expected, then view it as a glass half full event. View it as an opportunity to buy more XRP if we see it drop below $2, if we see Bitcoin drop down towards 100,000. If you see anything like that, don't view it as the end of the world is coming. View it as a positive thing. Yeah, I'm not going to minimize the fact that if we see XRP drop below $2, it's going to hurt to our existing portfolios. It is, right? But I'm not selling. I'm not selling my XRP because this meeting, does or doesn't happen, or the outcome is not exactly what we want, or whatever it is. Because look, we're always going to have these types of event impact the XRP we own, the Bitcoin, the crypto we own. It's always going to happen. It's always going to be there. The key is that you don't let your emotions or your panic take over, and then you have a plan, okay? And you stick to your plan. Stick to your profit plan. How much profit do you want to make with your XRP? 30, 40, 50%, or whatever it may be. Okay, stick to your plan. All right, beyond this event, now if we get a positive outcome out of this event, we might see XRP definitely go up. We might see all our crypto go back up. That'd be a good thing, right? Okay, so all eyes are on what's going to happen later this month. And by the way, I'm not buying anything until I see what's going to happen out of this meeting. And then if we do see prices drop because of a perceived negative outcome, then I'm stepping in and I'm buying. Okay. The other thing is I have a challenge question for you. When XRP went up 70% in July, did you take advantage of it? Did you know when to buy and when to sell? If you want to do maybe a short swing term kind of swing trade. I think it went up 70% in less than 20 days or so. Did you take advantage of that? If you didn't, look, here's the thing. It's easier to do that, to know when to buy and when to sell any crypto or stock if you know when to buy and know when to sell, obviously, right? So I have a piece of software. It's a trading indicator. It's called X1 Algo. It's literally a little over $1 a day. And it literally will tell you when to buy and when to sell on a 6-hour chart, 12-hour chart, whatever you want to look at, right? And it very accurately pinpointed the right time to buy and the right time to sell XRP back in July when it went up 70%. It did, okay? There's a link in the description below. Go check it out if you want to go try it. There's a 30-day no questions asked money back guarantee, okay? Bottom line, you can try it really for free for 30 days. You don't like it, you cancel, you refund, you're good, okay? My team will cancel and refund you immediately when you send an email into the support email. That's it. It's easy, okay? So it's right down there. So I'm talking about this in the context of like, this is part of the are you safe and are you making as much profit as possible? Are you safe part we talked about in the previous part of this video. You got to know these events, like this meeting between the United States and China. Know that's there. You got to know it's out there because it's an impact point. Okay, it's a possible macro global event that could drag your XRP down, or it could send it up. Okay. The other side of that is making as much profit as you can with crypto and stocks. And that's what my software can help you do if you're interested in that, okay? Yeah, I make some money off of it. I mean, but don't begrudge me $1 a day if it makes you a lot more money, right? That's it. Okay, so links are in the description below. Go try it out. By the way, we have live weekly coaching calls on the software. Every week there's 3 live training classes, all that kind of stuff. Good stuff there for you. It's literally a little over $1 a day. You spend more than that, you know me, on a cup of coffee. This thing's like $1.80 or something like that at Buc-ee's. Okay, so give it a look. All right, I'll see you. Have a good one.